like a lot of people have been reaching out to me, asking me questions on how do I start trading? What is the best way to start? Can you teach me Forex? Can you be my mentor? Can you show me the right path? So this video, I'm going to break down everything you need as a Forex trader. I'm going to let you know the pros and the cons and all the scams that we have in the Forex space. There's a lot of scams, trust me, and you want to stick to the end of this video. So first for me is going to be education. Education is one vital part in the Forex space. You really, I can't stress the really enough. You really need to be well grounded. You need to know everything that has to do with the Forex space. You need to know the basics of the Forex space. You need to know what Forex is, the basic pairs, what the basic pairs is, and what minor and major and exotic pairs means. We have minor pairs, we have major pairs, and we have exotic pairs. I don't trade exotic pairs. I don't even trade minor pairs. I trade major pairs. So you want to know what these things mean. You want to know the difference between currencies and metals, and these things are things you want to know. You want to know where you're putting your money. A lot of people that I know want to come into Forex space today and make money tomorrow. Come closer. Come closer. That is not going to work. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not. It takes time to make money in this space. I myself, I have been trading the financial market for, I would say, the past 3 years now, and I just started to see profitability in my own trading system. So you might come in today and you start seeing profitability in 3 months, in 4 months, in 5 months. It all depends on the education you have. If you have a proper knowledge of the Forex space and where you got your knowledge from. Some of the places where you can actually get education from, for me, I am not a fan of mentorship. I'm going to be honest with you. I think there's a lot of scam out there. A lot of people just learn trading, try to make money, they're not successful, and then boom, oh, I want to teach you how to trade. I am a say no to mentorship kind of guy. Say no to gurus. I don't like them. I don't like gurus. I'm never, trust me, I am never ever going to come online and say, oh, I want to teach you how to trade, pay me $200 to teach. That's something you would never catch me doing. I think if you were that successful, why would you need my $200 to make money? Does it make sense? So if you're that good in the trading space, why would you need me to pay you $200 for you to teach me? And that's just my personal belief. A lot of people have actually gone through mentorship and they actually did well. But I'll tell you, even your mentor graduated from the university I graduated from. Even the one who's teaching you right now graduated from my university, and the university is the University of YouTube. So a lot of us actually learned from YouTube. There's a lot of resources on YouTube. YouTube is free, bro. YouTube has everything. Skip this video, go look for a video on YouTube about trading. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that teaches you from the beginning, from when you enter trade till the end. There's a lot of videos like that, on YouTube that will teach you how to trade. You can also go on Babypips. It's called babypips.com. I'm going to put the link in the description and down here. Babypips.com is something that most or every Forex trader should know. That's a very vital website that helps you in your starting days, in your beginning days. It helps you learn how to calculate pips. It helps you learn how to calculate lot sizes. Babypips is your friend. So you want to go into babypips.com, learn all those basic things on babypips.com. So the next phase is setting up a trading account. So let's say you're already done. You've studied Forex. You've learned a lot about Forex. You know everything that Babypips has to offer. The next thing now is you want to get yourself a broker. You want to get yourself a reputable broker. You don't want to just go get every Tom, Dick, and Harry broker out there. There's a lot of scam. Forex is not scam, but there is a lot of scam attached to the Forex space. You need to be careful. Don't fall victim to no scam broker, a broker where you deposit your money and you're not able to withdraw. So what I would do if I was just trading for the first time this year is I'll deposit a little bit of money. So I'll probably put in like $10. Something I can let go of or that I could lose. $10 is not a big deal to me, so I'll deposit $10, see what the $10 would do. If they let me withdraw the $10, then I'll trust that broker. You want to go on Google review. You want to check what are people saying about this specific broker that I'm about to use. You want to make sure you're not just going off what I said, but you're actually doing your research and concluding on, okay, this is a good broker. But for myself, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the broker of my choice. It's going to be an affiliated link, so if you want to use the link to register for yourself, no problem. I'll be making some profit on my end. But if you want to use a different link or you want to use a different broker, that's all good. Just make sure you do your research and you just don't go heads on and making any mistake. But that's about brokers. So now we've had a proper education and we've also been able to register ourselves with a Forex broker. So the next thing now is we need to develop a trading plan. In developing a trading plan, you want to write all the processes that you would be using to trade, when you'd enter the trade, when you take your profit off the market, where your stop loss would be, where your take profit would be. I am a very, very, very high systematic trader. What that means is I want to put my stop here. I want to put my take profit here. I want to put my entry here. So depending on what your situation is, depending on what your lifestyle is, you need to build a trading pattern based on what your reality is, not based on what, this guy is doing or that guy is doing. Some people like to scalp, some people like the short trades, while some people like to hold trades for long. Some people want to hold for a weekend, some people want to hold for a short while. So you find out who you are and you develop a trading pattern or trading plan based on who you are as an individual. Now I have learned how to trade, I have a broker, and also I have a trading plan. The next thing you want to do, this is the best, this is the most important thing, okay? This step is going to determine if step 3 works or if you need to go back and take off step 3. This is going to determine if step 3 works. You need to back test. I would put everything I have into back testing. Once I develop that trading plan, I need to go check if it works. Listen, don't go into demo trading just yet. I don't really believe in demo trading. I think it's poisonous. I think it's what gives birth to fake results. So I don't really preach demo trading. What I preach is testing. When I'm in my back testing mood, I'm like a fucking mad scientist. I don't want to talk to nobody. I just want to be in my room and go all the way back to 1 year, 2 years, and do 1 year straight. So if I was going to be learning how to trade today, I would take back testing more seriously than wanting to look, what did the charts do today? Can you give me signals? Those things are not important. You need to go back in time, check what your strategy, your game plan, your trading plan has been doing before now, before you implement it into the real world. So you want to take backtesting so seriously. You want to test the time frame. What time frame does my strategy work best on? Am I good with switching time frames? Can I move from 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour? Does that work for me? What times of the day do I trade? At the end of the month, what was my trading result like? I want to check all these things. Not at the end of the day, not at the end of the week, at the end of 3 months, at the end of 6 months, at the end of 12 months. What was my performance like? Trading is not a race. It is a marathon. It is not a let's get there quick. It is let's build till we get there. You want to backtest as much as possible. You want to love backtesting. You want to be king of backtesting. Do you know what backtesting is going to do? When you get into the real world, it is going to give you the utmost confidence. You're going to be so confident in your trading skill. You're going to be so confident in what you put out there. There's a lot of BS, there's a lot of bullshit about trading online, but I'm trying to show people that they are actually real people who do this on a day-to-day basis. You want to backtest? The backtesting is going to boost your confidence, your belief for what you do. Then you can move to the next phase. So now we know how to trade. We have learned about trading. We have a reputable broker, and we also have a trading plan. Okay. And we have our trading psychology in check because we have done a lot of years in backtesting. We're ready for the real world. Now, here's the path you really need. You need to learn how to make money outside the Forex market chat. I know this is, some type of way, not a lot of people would agree with what I'm about to say, but this is the reason why a lot of gurus exist. A lot of people are not really making money from the Forex space. They're actually making money from teaching you, collecting your $200 every month to teach you how not to be profitable in the Forex space. So you need to learn how to make money outside the chat before coming into the chat. Here's why. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Forex is not for people who are struggling financially. It will burn you to the ground. You need to be making money outside the Forex market to be able to succeed and excel in the Forex market. The biggest problem for traders is capital. You need to be able to get capital from somewhere. You need to learn how to make money from outside the chat. Now you're comfortable, you're making money every month, you're eating, you're doing well in life. You can now fund your Forex trading and things will just move easily. So if I was going to be trading or learning how to trade this year, I'm going to learn how to make money outside the chat first before bringing the money into the chat. So Forex trading is not for everyone, especially for those with little to no financial capability. You have to be financially stable to a certain extent to be able to do well in the Forex market. If not, you're just going to struggle. You're going to become the thing you hate. You're going to become the thing you despise. So take your time, learn. Once you have the proper knowledge and education and psychology, then get yourself a job. Get yourself something to make you money before you fund your Forex career. And another thing, when I say fund your Forex career, never you think, oh, okay, because I've learned how to trade, I'm going to go into prop firms. I'm going to start up a prop firm account. That is not the best way. That is not the right way to go. Never you fund a prop firm as your first account. Never. I am against that. I do prop firms myself, but I think prop firms are scams. some prop firms. Don't come for me. So I do think some prop firms are scams. There's cases of a Ghanaian guy who we all know. I don't want to call names. A Ghanaian guy who started a prop firm account. He came online and he said he had other ideas for the prop firm account, which he started, and it didn't do well. It's a scam. They didn't pay people. They shut the thing down. You don't want to go to prop firms. You're going to be sad at the end of the day. You might lose your money. You might lose your savings. This is not the time to go into prop firms. You want to make money outside the chat and then fund your Forex career. There's a lot of prop firms that I still trust till today. 5%ers, FTMOs, those are prop firms that I trust. But getting those prop firms, you need to be doing well because they're expensive and passing them is very difficult. So you need to be good before you can pass those prop firms. So I'll tell you, stay away from prop firms. Don't do prop firms. If I was trading now, I'm not going to do prop firms. In conclusion, I would say take your time in education. It pays. You know, they say school not scam, but trust me, education in Forex no be scam. So take your time in the education aspect. Learn. You've studied enough. You create a trading plan, backtest it. The backtest is giving you bad result. Delete the trading plan, put another one, backtest it. The next one is giving you bad result. Just rinse and repeat. There's a lot of trading plan out there. There's a lot of strategies out there. Get one strategy, stick to one. Put that one, backtest it. Do not just backtest for 1 month and say, oh, okay, it gave me 20%. I'm going to the live market. No, at least if I am going to be telling my younger self how to trade, you must have at least 2 years of backtested result minimum. I could bring the results to show for anyone who is interested, who is asking. I could bring results for 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, all backtested, 4 years. I knew about trading in 2020, COVID-19, and all that year, I've just been backtesting. I've gone through strategies, bro. I've gone through, name them, trend line, break and retest, support and resistance. You're not making any money on the side. I'm still going to make a video on how to make money on the side while still trading. We want to trade because we want to be able to make money from the comfort of our houses. We want to be able to be on vacation while still making money. The jobs that I'm going to be talking about, or I'm going to show you that you can use, to fund your trading career, is still jobs that you can do from the comfort of your homes. So you want to stick to this page, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. You want to hit the link on the...
I don't damn it,